that, I'm so excited to show you guys this cool, amazing method that you could just use and that it's amazing. So we're just going to go ahead and I am going to tell you what you're going to be needing for this. So this is called Highliter slime. It is very, 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 very shiny. If you actually held it in your hands, it is very, very shiny. So what you're going to be needing to make this slime is a plastic baggie. I put Highliter slime on top of it. And yeah, so I put that in. So now I have this. So put that in. If you already made some, which you actually don't really need this baggie. So don't trust my instincts. So you're going to be needing glue, eye contact solution, and baking soda. So you're going to be needing all of these 3 things to make this slime. So now I've had this in my water. It just needs to be water, then you put water in it, then you take this, the thing out of a marker or a highlighter, which I used a Mr. Sketch marker, which is fine too. It's scented, so this is banana. So I took that out, I put it in for 5 minutes now, and so you're just gonna let it soak in. It will dye your hands, so I suggest using gloves for this, but take them off when you're making the slime. Alright, so now you're going to just take this out and just squeeze it. Squeeze it all out. And so you're just going to squeeze it out. Squeeze it. Alright, so now that I got that out, now you just want to stir it. Stir it with a spoon. Make sure it is a color, because if it's not the color, then you don't really have it. So now that you have that, you're going to put your glue inside the bowl. Just put it, So now you're going to just put, sorry guys. So I just put glue in here. I didn't have an amount that I wanted to use, so I just put my glue in. You really don't need an amount that you want. Okay. So there you go. You just stir your glue into it. It's already kind of making slime, but actually it's really not at the same time. So now you're just going to get some baking soda. You pinch, put it in there. So now that I did that, I'm going to put just a little bit more because you really do need a lot of baking soda into it. So now I did that. I'm just going to stir it until it all dissolves. So you're just going to stir it and stir it and stir it until the baking soda dissolves inside of it. Oops. Make sure you get it off the sides. So now you're going to just put your eye contact solution in. So now it is becoming slime. See? it's already turning slime. It's already slime, but it is very sticky, so I would not knead it with your hands yet. And if you're wearing gloves by now, take them off because it will stick to the gloves and you will have no slime to play with. So now that you have your slime, get it all off the bowl so it doesn't stick. Make sure if it's sticking to the bowl, then put a little bit more eye contact solution in there. Okay, so now that I have my slime, this is my highlighter slime. Whoops. This is my highlighter slime. So that's an easy method. That's all you have to do. Hold on. Bye.
Love you.
Bye. Love you too.
Can I get a hug, baby?
Yeah. Bye, Brittany. Bye. Sorry, I had to say bye. So now that I did that, see, it is very shiny. You can see through. So that is my highlighter slime. That is my highlighter slime. You see, it didn't stick to the bowl at all. There's no more of it. So that's an easy method how to make this highlighter slime. So I would love if you guys would try to make this slime. It is really pretty cool. So now it smells like bananas because this scent is bananas. So yeah, that is my highlighter slime. So thank you guys for watching and have a great night or a great day. So yeah, bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.